Rich Dads Increase Your Financial IQ. Get Smarter with Your Money is a book by Robert T. Kiyosaki and Sharon L. Lechter. It is the third book in the Rich Dad series, and it was first published in 2000. The book is divided into three parts. The first part of the book introduces the concept of financial IQ, and it explains why it is important. The second part of the book teaches the reader how to increase their financial IQ. The third part of the book discusses how to use financial IQ to achieve financial success. Kiyosaki argues that financial IQ is more important than traditional IQ. He defines financial IQ as the ability to understand the financial world and how to use it to your advantage. He believes that everyone can learn to increase their financial IQ, and that it is the key to achieving financial success. The book is written in a clear and concise style, and it is easy to understand. Kiyosaki uses real-world examples and stories to illustrate his points. He also includes a number of exercises and worksheets that the reader can use to improve their financial IQ. The book is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn more about personal finance and investing. It is especially helpful for people who are new to personal finance or who want to improve their financial IQ. Here are some of the key takeaways from the book. Financial IQ is more important than traditional IQ. Everyone can learn to increase their financial IQ. Financial IQ is the key to achieving financial success. The best way to increase your financial IQ is to learn from those who are more financially successful than you are. You should invest in yourself and your education before you invest in anything else. You should learn to manage your money and your debt effectively. You should learn to invest your money wisely. If you are interested in learning more about personal finance and investing, I recommend reading Rich Dads Increase Your Financial IQ. Get Smarter with Your Money. It is a well-written and informative book that can help you improve your financial IQ and achieve your financial goals.